once niche, clunky gadgets, smartwatches have transformed over the past 5 years into must-have accessories that blend style, comfort, and an array of smart features. Whether Apple or Android, you're sure to find a smartwatch that fits your lifestyle and budget. If your needs are basic, think exercise, notifications, and sleep monitoring, most smartwatches will do it. But for those who want more advanced tracking, premium models with polished software and help tools like blood pressure and sleep apnea monitoring may be the way to go. After a decade of reviews, we can confirm they're well worth it today. If you're looking to make the investment, here are our top picks for the best smartwatches. The Apple Watch Series 10 is our favorite overall smartwatch. It combines polished software with a wide variety of health tools and smartphone companion features. 10 years after the original Apple Watch set the stage for the modern smartwatch, the Apple Watch Series 10 adds even more health tracking features, including sleep apnea notifications and practical smartwatch tools like voice isolation for clearer calls. If you're an iPhone owner, the Series 10 provides the right balance of features for the price. The Apple Watch Series 10 isn't perfect. Battery life still only lasts about 1 to 2 days with light use. Fast charging goes some way to address battery life, but it still means the watch is off your wrist more than you might like. Considering the health and safety tools from fall detection during the day to sleep apnea notifications at night, you are likely to want to wear the watch as much as possible. The Apple Watch Series 10 has the right balance of health tracking and everyday usability to make it the best choice. The best overall Android smartwatch is Google Pixel Watch 3. Google's Pixel Watch 3 offers one of the most elegant round screen designs you'll see on a smartwatch and now comes in 2 size options to suit more wrists. It also comes with a range of new tools, including AI-generated running workouts, the Morning Brief Digest, and more applications for the daily readiness score. The Pixel Watch 3 is still missing some features you might expect on a Google-branded smartwatch, including Gemini support. Overall, if you're a runner and want more robust smartwatch features than on a traditional running watch, the Pixel Watch 3 won't disappoint. Garmin Venue 3. The Garmin Venue 3's stellar battery life, a wide selection of health tracking features and workout types, and comprehensive wellness metrics make it a top choice. The battery life alone is enough to make the Garmin Venue 3 stand out, with it lasting for about a week on a single charge. It isn't perfect. It doesn't feel as premium as some other watches of the same price, it doesn't have as many apps as the Apple Watch, and the software might not feel as intuitive as alternative watches from Google, Samsung, or Apple. The Garmin Venue 3 still makes up for that with useful wellness tools like the body battery, which tells you how recharged you are based on activity, sleep, and other factors. Best of all, Garmin doesn't require a subscription to access such features. The Apple Watch Ultra 2, which is Apple's best smartwatch with a tough titanium construction and an action button to quickly start workouts or launch apps. It has the brightest screen of any Apple Watch at a maximum of 3000 nits, which makes it incredibly easy to see when adventuring in the great outdoors. For adventurers and athletes, it also has a built-in siren for safety and a dual-band GPS for accurately tracking your route. LTE is also on board, so you can venture out without a phone and still stay connected. Although it's designed to be an outdoor watch, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is still a fantastic all-around smartwatch. Inside is the same S9 chip as found on the Apple Watch Series 9, which supports gestures like double tap and allows the watch to process Siri commands on device. This means you can use Siri without being online, and later in the year you'll be able to ask the voice assistant for health data. Like earlier Apple Watches, the Ultra 2 also comes with a blood oxygen sensor, electrocardiogram app, fall detection, and emergency SOS. The battery also lasts at least twice as long as all other Apple Watch models. It's only compatible with the iPhone, so if you have an Android phone, you'll need to look at another option on this list. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Classic. Samsung's Galaxy Watch 6 is the best Android watch for most people. Both the Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Classic have incredibly bright screens that hit a maximum of 2000 nits, so seeing your watch in all lighting conditions is easy. All the flagship features you would expect are included: an ECG, blood oxygen, body composition, and temperature sensors. Note that you would need a Galaxy phone to use the ECG. but all the other features work seamlessly with other Android phones. Like the Apple Watch Series 9, you'll need to charge the Galaxy Watch 6 every day, especially if you want to track sleep. 2023's Galaxy Watch 5 Pro remains in this lineup if you need the best battery life of any Galaxy Watch, lasting up to 3 days on a charge. The Apple Watch SE, which retails for $250, but you can regularly find it discounted to $200 or less, which makes it an excellent choice for the budget-conscious buyer. Expect most of the same features found on expensive Apple Watch models like the Series 9, including activity tracking, third-party apps, and safety features like emergency SOS. It does miss out on an always-on display and heart health features like an ECG.